Howdy YouTubers, welcome back. New machine day, or old but new to me machine day. Busy couple of weeks, helping a friend move house, well actually into a flat. They're waiting for the house to be built. Just been moving a load of stuff, put a lot of his stuff into his dad's shed, because obviously moving from a house to a flat waiting for a house, you obviously don't want to get rid of the stuff, so we've been just busy doing all that. Like, logistics were unbelievable. And came across this little fella, Clarkson tool cutter grinder. We have the instruction manual with it, the original instruction manual. I'll show you some pictures and some close-ups this in a bit. But yeah, it was going to be scrapped just for the light. The young lad was going to take the light off and make a bedside table light, just like a modern thing using an old industrial lamp. And he said yes, if I had a toolkit, he said it would have been scrapped and just a lamp would have been saved. So I'm glad I sort of turned up as I did. As you can see, it's not in the best condition. I think it's been left in a shed probably under a drip or something, and this is to the brunt of the rust. But everything is free and moves well. But it feels tight as well. I've not done any adjustments or anything, but everything, there's no play in it. Everything seems to move smoothly. So fingers crossed. What we're going to do over a few weeks, few videos, I'm going to fit this in between doing other things as well as moving my workshop around. I say I wasn't sort of intending getting this week, but obviously when things turn up, you've got to jump on them. So it needs a bit of cleaning, a bit of going through. So we'll take it down. We'll get it working. Bit of paint. Not going to go for 100% like new restoration, but we're going to get it right so it works okay. It's just brilliant. I think he said it was his granddad's, I think, from new. Even on it, I'll show you a picture after. He's even wrote on with some black marker pen, like a Sharpie. He's even wrote on the actual height to the centres, so he knows when he's making anything or doing anything, he knows the height of it. So yeah, so this will be the next few weeks. I said we'll do some videos. I'm going to fit them in with other things. It's not going to be like a series every sort of week we're doing something. This will just be when I can fit it in. If I strip a bit down, I'll film it and do a little video on it, and keep going from there. And then eventually we'll get a new machine. It's not a rush. It's not. I just want to just take my time, make sure we do it right, and just fit it in when I can do it. The motor runs. Everything's okay on that. So we've got the lamp to sort out. If I leave the lamp on, not sure yet. Probably will. Just got that sorted out, but just checked that the motor does actually run. It's got the original flat belt in there. That's everything. I've just done a few. Everything sort of swivels around. There's no grinding disc with it, any grinding wheels with it. We can soon get those, but so we might have to make some manuals, some adapters to make different wheels fit. Like I said, we'll go through and get it up and running. So yeah, hopefully a nice bit of a kit to add to the workshop. It'll be ideal for like sharpening up end mills, drills, just with a few attachments, etc. So yeah, should be a good addition to the workshop. So brilliant, absolutely chuffed with it. So thanks for watching, YouTubers. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, tell all your friends to do the same. Pass the word around, and until next time, it'll be right.